So again, listen, I'm not arguing that there are standards and our curriculum shouldn't be straight. I'm not arguing any of that. I'm telling you what the perception is when we fight so hard that the kids are presented as broken. No one, I grew up in New York City. No one knew what squash was as a sport in my hood. Nobody. Nobody knew what squash was, right? But if you gave me a heads up as a teacher that my kids need to know a few things about squash, damn if I'm not going to get them coached up and ready. Because I'm more afraid of the stink that's going to be on them if I don't. And then if Lisa Bay and Melissa want to go up on Capitol Hill and argue about those standards, I'm gonna donate to their cause. But today, I'm gonna get them coached up. I'm gonna get them coached up.